Welcome to Iron Tech, and today is a good video because I am going to show you a very surprising thing that on this platform there is a service which also give the payment return guarantee. YouTube monetization's payment return guarantee. Let's see. I am going to make it to the dollars because this video is going to be made for international clients. YouTube monetization. So let's show. I am going to open it. It's written that one channel they will charge just 130 dollars. It's a complete monetization package. 75% payment will be returned back in case of rare failure. So it's a huge offer on this platform. You can resell out in $180. You can resell out in $200. It's up to you how much you are going to earn. It's a highly demanded service. What are the requirements? Let's see. Channel must be 1 month old with 100% real and original content because the YouTube monetization highly dependent on your content. I would like to say almost 95% YouTube monetization depends upon your original content. Then, for the watch time, video must be at least 15 videos that must be uploaded in last 6 months, and the length must be 5 to 10 minutes. Even 4 to 10 minutes is also okay. The start time of this package is very quick. Start time is almost 1 to 6 hours. Completion 2 to 3 weeks. You should give the managerial access or viewer access or editor access on this email address because they will see the live performances of these. I have completed my many packages on these services because guarantee 75% payment return guarantee of channel is not monetized. So this is a very important video. You can share with your friends, with your family, in your society because it's a huge opportunity. We are giving you good details of online. You can say getting money by reselling the services which already doing a lot of people all over the world through Fiverr, Upwork, and other different things. So see you in next video. Goodbye.